clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up? I'll tell you what's up. Gold is up. And
Gold
silver
is up.
What is up, Denny?
What is up, Stephen? How are you?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. All I know, I can say the trades we had today, it was Christmas in October. Oh, my God. It was a wild day. Wild. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, my God. Hey, you know, Denny, I got to tell you something. I gave away 60 free access for 7 days to my live stream. I have never been so honored. The people who got in for free, okay, yes, there's a learning curve, a little different of terminology, but I'll tell you, so many people blew up my phone today and said, thank you. What you did today for me, I never learned in my entire life. And I crushed it on my evals. I made money. And, that's music to my ears. That's why I did with Michael and Aaron giving away these 20 giveaways each night, because I want people to understand that when you're trading the markets, you have someone with 43 years experience, someone who's a mentor, someone who is able to really help you along and trade with you so you're not trading alone. But what compliments today. Unbelievable. And I have to say, again, MyFundedFutures hosting tonight and every night for the last 5 weeks. Unbelievable. They've given away 625, whether it's 50K core accounts and or scale accounts. Unbelievable firm, unbelievable. And it's just an honor and a privilege to be here and working with my main man, Denny. There you go. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I just want to show some people some great patterns here before we get going here. If you look here, can you tell Sean I'll do the podcast at 10, please? If you look here, I want to show you gold on the 5-minute. So I walked in and I saw this gold trade up to 91, and the MACDs aren't confirming. So this is a nice long here setting up here on the gold. I mean, this gold's moving $5 and $10 at a time here. And I mean, look at this thing. Oh my God almighty. Where's this thing going? So this was the pullback on the 15-minute time frame, Denny. This is what I was just telling you. When you see an ADX rising like that, Denny, and you got the oscillator oversold. Now, if you look at this bar here, you can see that this bar right here, okay, the low was 43.54.60, and the high in that bar was 43.76. So when it got down to 54 and change, this oscillator, okay, was probably, I would say, C51, that's where it closed, was probably somewhere in the low to the high teens or low 20s. But because it traded up from 54 up to 76, up 22, it plots higher. So my indicator 3 is dynamic, but yet it is it plots end of bar. It plots end of bar. All right. Whew. What a day. Wow. What a day. What a day. How did everybody do today? How did everybody do? It's Thursday, our 4th night out of the week. All right. 4th night out of the week here. S&Ps, if they push up to the 54.5, 60.5 range, I would short them. You're going to get one more push up here on the on gold. Man, I can't even say the word buy gold. Right, Denny? Denny's up 900 already on the gold. Jesus. Like a machine. My man.
You know it, Stephen.
Great job. So tonight, I'm going to do 20 giveaways again. 20 giveaways. That'll be 80 for the week. Not bad, right? Not bad. And I'm really super excited to be here. 5,000 on gold. It could, but now I think you get before 5,000 gold. I think gold. Now the dollar got absolutely cabooshed today. That's why gold rallied, right? And I think that what you're going to have is a pullback of, and gold should pull back between 400 to 600 points before you get your move to 5,000. And I think that pullback is got to be got to be bought. All right. Just very busy pullback. Appleman, how are you? Spectre Trading, nice to see you. Cheater, how are you? How to redeem the giveaways? Okay. Well, you should have gotten a link. You should have made 5,000 on gold on opening. Good job, silver 4K2. You get Michael sends out an email to all the winners. To all the winners. Again, the rules here apply. Okay. Legacy Studios, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm up 1,100. Bob Barker, there you go. All right, this gold is going to get one more push up. If you want to try to buy the gold, you got to use micros. Yeah, we look to go like probably 67.5 to 73.5. It just rallied. Money smelling every day. Every 44.16 on gold. It could be. That's nothing. That's 40 points. Crown Lorf, how are you? Where is the giveaway? I didn't do it yet. Okay, 10-year under 4% for the first time in a while. That's very bullish. Okay, that's very bullish. All right. John Davis, how are you, John Davis? Let's go, baby. Let's get to 7,800. Haha, let's go. Artan, let's go, Artan. Let's go, Artan. All right. Really nice bull flag on the double blue here. Stephen, what's your price prediction for gold the next few years? Probably 5,700. Okay, 57, 5,800. Good evening, Big M241. How are you? Son of Wall Street. Let's go, baby. Let's go. There goes the gold. So this pattern is called the double blue. So basically the pattern is when the 5-minute time frame reverses the buy, when the algo is above the pivot, you look to short it. But also on the new high here, the MACDs couldn't confirm. This is the pullback on the 5. So gold just rallied 5. I canceled the gold buy. It just rallied. Let's go, Michael. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. So many people. T.O. Gerson, how are you? T.O. Gerson, 4360, going to act like a magnet. I hope so. I want to pull back. Triple top soon on what? Gold? There's no overhead resistance. Okay. And I believe you. I'm going to invest in gold and Bitcoin. Total loss, 17,000 for me. I'm out. What do you lose 17,000 on? What are you talking about? And I believe you. I'm going to invest in gold, then Bitcoin. Bitcoin total loss 17,000 for me. I'm out. I was calling shorts in Bitcoin above 25,000. Okay, I don't know. How is gold, Martin? I haven't. Okay, Andrew Knapp, what's up, brother? Whew. All right. Okay. Good evening, Tavine. How are you? Need a good pullback? I think so. On the dailies, I want to see a pullback, and then hello, and had you and win 60699. How are you? All right. If you want to take a scalp long only on the gold, I probably look to go like 67.5, 60, 73.5, and I would only probably do micros. I don't even like the word buy here. Hello, Jess G. How are you? Let's get these viewers up here. Wait for Bitcoin to come back to 69. Oh my God, 40K? I don't think so. Even if we got a pullback, okay. Even if we get a pullback on the gold to 3650, which is obviously about 700 points, you're probably, hey Jeff, you're probably looking, if you ask Nasdaq, I would short this Nasdaq 88 up to 18. Even if why is gold going up every single day? The dollar got killed today. Okay. Again, you got to be really careful on these gold longs here. How are we doing here? All right. All right. So if you bought the gold here just now, it just got down to 73. Look to sell above 75. Just scalp it for $2 here. The Dragon. Hey, how are the Dragon? Warner Trading. Good evening, everybody. All right. Silver 42K, 100% day trader. Love it. Love it. Love it. Come on, guys. Let's get to 700-800 views here. Come on. Let's do this. All right. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Hello, Kawamaya. How are you? Here's Johnny. What's up? Bernister. How are you? A lot of new people here. So tonight I'm going to give away 20, that's 80 for the week, free trials, free 7-day pass to my live stream. That's insane. Do you think gold will go to 43.57 or tonight? Oh, yeah, I mean, I think so. Josh Torres, what's up? I need to go up, break even right now. I wouldn't be buying. I mean, how can you be buying gold up here? I mean, just for a trade. Do they drop in the 5? All right, we need to get the views up and the likes up, everybody. Okay, what's up, everybody? Anybody on my TikTok, please, if you want to win the raffle for my gold just rallied 3. Did you get the long?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So gold just rallied 4 here. Let's share the stream, guys. Let's do it. Share the stream. Let's go. Norika Perez, Parish, how are you? Gabrielle Trades, what's up? Didn't you win last night? I think Gabrielle Trades won, if I'm not mistaken. All right, S&Ps look to cover any shorts here between the 54, 55. NASDAQ look to cover any shorts here between the 77 and 82 range. NASDAQ. S&Ps dropping, gold, NASDAQ just dropped. Okay, let's do this here. Farhan, nice to meet you. The gold is getting, last time we had a spike this steep, we cabooshed in equities. Well, I think the S&Ps are going to 6,000. First gap, 62.50, then 6,000. They'll have a heart attack if that happens. The complacency level, look at the S&Ps drop here. NASDAQ just got cabooshed. Okay, so short 5 gold, okay. I wouldn't be short here yet. I would wait for higher prices. All right, gold down there 41 is easy tonight. We could. I don't make statements like that, Martin, but I'm with you. I think gold's way overextended. I think for the first time, gold has a 94 RSI. Look at the S&Ps just dropped 2.5. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Okay, cabooshed. Short, going for short gold. I would not look to short gold now. I would wait for a bounce. Next bounce on the 5. Okay, 10 points on the NASDAQ, 3 points on the S&P. Anybody short S&P or NASDAQ here? Let's go. Let's get these likes up. So MyFundedFutures, that's why I said be careful on the long. Going short MGC. All right, Sarah, great job. Great. Look at this S&Ps. Down 4. NASDAQ down 20. Oh, my God. Cabooshed. Kabooshed. Where's silver? You're going to get one more push up on the gold here. Okay. You should get one more push up on the gold. Of course, when you walked in here, look at the silver. 53. Oh, my God. 53.74. Down 30. All right. Gold should get one more push up here. Appreciate it. Out of short. Well, when I first walked in, I saw the gold around the 89 level. I couldn't say short fast enough. Chris W., would it be a good time to buy puts on gold for 60 days out? I mean, you get the CPI, PPI. Well, no. There's they're supposed to have the numbers tomorrow, but there's no government. Look at this S&Ps. Look at the NASDAQ. I mean, I think there's a good. When you say puts, I'd probably buy deep in the money puts, a couple for just in case you get like 150, 200 point drop. Okay, Melvin, how are you? We did great today. It was a great day overall. Let me show you some really great patterns. Okay, so I want to show you the S&P futures today while we're looking at the market here. Look at these S&Ps. Oh my God Almighty! All right, look at these S&Ps dropped 6. NASDAQ just dropped over 20. Let me show you this pattern from today, okay? Gold should get one more push up. Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&P and the 60-minute time frame on the S&P. Let me get to the right spot. So you see this pattern right here, okay? I'm going to show you something right here. Let me just show you something. All right, there goes the gold right back up. If you're long, you can scale out of longs here. All right, so look at this. All right, just hit 72. So first of all, you have a negative divergence on the 30-minute and on the 60-minute. let me teach you something about trading. When gold made a high, S&P's made a high 67.50. The MACDs on the 30 and the 60 could not confirm. That's sell divergence number one. So look at these S&Ps down 6. Jeff Warner, did you get short? Mike Jock, are you short the NASDAQ? Come on. All right. So the first short is the fact that the 60 and the 30-minute MACDs did not confirm the high. Okay. All right. Okay. The second is when the price made the new high, the MACDs on the 30 were negative. So the price pushed up into a negative MACD on the 30, combined with the fact that the MACDs could not make a new high. All right. Second, look at the spiders. Okay. Let me show you the spiders. SPY. All right. A lot of great patterns on the spiders. First of all, when you look at the spiders here, okay, make this smaller. Okay. When you look at the spiders on the first drop right here at 130, that's a 60-minute. Yeah. So, let me go back to the 60. All right. So we got this first drop here. Okay. We got this first drop at the 130. Okay. The push down. You can see that the MACDs did not make a new low on the 60-minute time frame. That's when the S&Ps were trading 54.25. Okay. And we called the long. S&Ps ran 30. Then at the end of the day here again, on the push down, the MACDs cannot confirm the high, confirm the low on the 60 again. Okay. So once the strategy here, when the 30-minute time frame reversed the sell at 230, it correlated with the 60, it correlated with the 15. Okay. What do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. Here it is. S&Ps were trading 01.02, and I said, look out below. I said, look out below. S&Ps went from 67.02 all the way down to 66.32. Okay, unbelievable patterns here. Okay, unbelievable. Okay, so if you guys can, there goes the gold. Start scaling out along the 5-minute time frame out. If you're long, then you get that long on gold. Good job, Sarah, up 540. Get in there. Good job, Sarah. Good job. Spiders is a spy, right? So basically, okay, when you have the 30-minute time frame reversing to sell right here, you can see here at 230, right? So this strategy here is the 15-minute time frame correlated with the 60. Look at this beautiful bear flag we called. Overbought into the negative MACDs. Right? You see that? That's the Picasso. And then when the 30-minute time frame reversed to sell at 230 right here, now you're in a negative trend. What's the strategy? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute. Look at this bear flag. We sold 68s, got up to 71s, got absolutely kabooshed, and shorted it again here at the end of the day, and they got absolutely hammered. Okay? Gold just rallied 6 off that low. All right? Up 1,900 on gold. Trunks trader. Great job. Great job. All right. I don't know, Denny. I'm going to give 20 away tonight. What are you doing, Denny? Anything?
I don't know, Steven. You think I should do anything tonight?
I don't know. I mean, we got to get the views up here. I mean, they should be at 700-800. This is crazy. This is crazy. All this work. Come on. Gold just rallied 6. Look, I walk in. I called the short on the NASDAQ and S&P. NASDAQ drops about 20. S&P, actually more than that. NASDAQ dropped about 25. S&P's dropped 6. All right. Gold just rallied 4 or 5. I mean, that's enough, right? All right. Let's go. Like the stream. Let's get this moving here. Let's get this moving. And I'm going to give away 27-day free access to my live stream. I stream in nanoseconds. I don't stream on YouTube where there's a 20-second delay. So I want everybody to understand that. All right. All right. Come on, gold. Give me another push up to get short. Oh, my God. V2 trades. Let's go, V2 trades. Guys, you got to share. You got to share the link with everybody. Okay. You got to share the link. Let's go share the link here. Am I shorting Bitcoin? Not now. Not now. Not now. I mean, for a trade? Not now. Gold just rallied 7 off the low. You get the long? Yes. Good. You get the long? Good job. My main man back here. I'm talking about Dodgers 3-1 in the 7th. Okay. All right. Gameplay full. How are you? What's your hourly bias on gold? I don't know. Hourly? I don't know. I want to short it. I want to short it. All right. I won 7 days ago. Thank you so much. Going to join Monday. I'm in the middle of moving. Okay. Good job. Not in the best trader state of mind through working on it. I'll help you. And anybody who's new, if you need help with anything, all right, you could text me at 914-500-7484. I'm long Bitcoin futures. Okay. All right. Well, I'm bearish on the market. And also you have a rising ADX on the 60-minute time frame. I'd be very careful on the long. JL trading, water fasting results, gold straight up. Well, it did already. Okay. G, how are you? I am Lee. How are you, everybody? All right. DV. Denny, we got to get 170 more here. Come on. Let's do this. Okay. Share the stream, guys. Let's go. All right. Jip Smith, how are you? Come on. I want to get this gold up there. Denny, MyFundedFutures account, long time. Let's do it. I'm new on your power hour. Love what you're doing. Carl 6626. How are you? Again, so I'm going to be at probably 8:45 before the Chinese market opens. Let's see. Andrew Knapp, I hope you shorted those S&Ps up there. Let's go. 430 in the chat. Come on. This is a joke. It should be 4,000. It should be 4,000. It should be 4,000. A lot of work goes into this, guys. A lot of work. All right. No red news tonight. Thank you, William. Okay. All right. So let's see what's going to happen here. So again, I wanted to show you that. I also want to show you looking at the Russell. You can't trade the underlying. You can't, in my opinion, based on my research, it's very difficult for you to trade the index futures or the commodity futures without looking at the underlying ETFs, right? So I'm going to show you the Russell today. First of all, big push here on the opening. Look at the Russell, 251.26. The stock dropped $6, the ETF. You're getting a push up here into the negative MACD. You got to be kidding me here. Where's this going to go, right? Cool Joker. I know, Cool Joker. Look at this. We should have 4,000 people. Robot Steven XD gameplay. How are you? Okay. Oh, come on. You got to share it. Come on. Okay. Now, you see here when the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell, now you're in a negative trend. The 60, the 30, and the 15. What do you look to do? Here you go. Watch this pattern right here at 12:30. You short the first bounce on the 5-minute right here. 245.52, boom, kabooshed, $1.40, $1.50, $1.50, singles and doubles, right? So also, this is a strategy called the double red short. A double red short is when the 5-minute time frame reverses to sell and it correlates with the 15, 30, and 60, or it can correlate with 2 of the 3 being negative, which is called a sell disconnect. This is a Picasso right here. This is a Picasso, all right? All right. So when the 5-minute time frame reverses sell and it correlated with the 15, 30, and 60 in sell mode, the strategy is you wait for the first bounce on the 5-minute. Look right below the 10 bar, kabooshed. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. The strategies last anywhere from 1 to 8 bars. You caught the long on the gold. All right. Yeah, I'd be really careful buying gold here. Really careful. Come on, can we get this 500, 600, 700 today? S&Ps just trade up to what? 56, 57. Kabooshed. 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 Finbro, how are you, Finbro? Finbro. All right. Finbro, good job. What'd you make on the gold? No, him. What'd you make?
Just 100.
Okay, not bad. Okay, not bad. It's learning, right? It's learning how to scale in, scale out. All right. And again, when you come to my live stream every day, I talk, the terminology is a lot different than what you guys are used to, but everything I do is based upon visualization and repetition, right? All right. A visualization, what's the reason for gold gap up today? The dollar's getting killed. Okay. Okay. The dollar's getting killed. USD, JPY. Let's see. Absolutely kabooshed. Look at this. Look at the dollar yen. Kabooshed. Right there. Okay. Look at the dollar yen on the daily. Okay. Got absolutely kabooshed. The dollar yen. Now, you may not think that's a big move. That's a very big move on dollar yen. 2 points. You see that? Okay. 2 points. All right. Caught the long on the gold. Good job. Can we get to like 500? 500. And again, I'm going to be auctioning off Michael Jocelyn Kawana said she never got anything, but I'll send this to you. Okay. So maybe you can just take a look. She said she never got. Please check your junk mail. Okay. Please check your junk or your spam folder. All right. Please check that. All right. I walked in here. I saw gold at 88.89. I said, I got to short it. I couldn't say it fast enough. Right. Denny, you caught the long or short on the gold? You made 900.
I caught the short whenever I made the 900.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this silver. Oh my God. All right. Okay. So Michael just sent that to Michael. Check the junk folder. Steve, nothing. Okay, Michael is on it. Okay, I'll have Michael check. Mike is checking. Okay. All right. Anybody new here? Put a 1. Let's go. Here's 454. Let's get to 5, 6, 700. Come on. This is a free night. Free night, right? It's free. Free. Okay. All right. I shorted 1 gold. MACD on the 5 cannot confirm the high. Absolutely, Martin. Good job, Martin. Great job. Anybody new? Place a 1. Okay, look at all these 1, Denny. Look at all these new people. I'm super bearish on gold. You and me both. Raphael, stand behind me. Okay? But I'm waiting. Okay, slight Mickey Mouse. SK, how are you? Helpful. Look at all these people. Corp trades. What's a 0?
I see them.
A lot of new people here. That's what he wants. Share the stream. It's free.
Share it. Get us viewers.
Did we ever find out who didn't pay Denny? Denny, who owes you money, Denny?
Who didn't pay me?
I don't know. Someone said, Sarah says, did we ever find out who didn't pay Denny? Oh, because you said that you didn't pay, you won, and the prop firm didn't want to pay you.
The payout?
Yeah, remember you said something?
Yeah. It was I can't say the name on stream. I can't talk about it. Yeah. I will tell you, just make sure you do your research on some of these prop firms out there. Hey guys.
Gary Cortez lives in Jupiter. Come visit me. Fill up the coolers. NQ with Chris. Fill the coolers. Call on O Futures. Are you kidding me? I'm guessing Apex. No, we're not going to give any. Just stick with MyFundedFutures. 007 James Bond. Hello from Miami. So I got someone from Miami and someone from here. Do we get Santa Claus values here? I don't think so. I think it's going to go the other way. Verdict 198. Johnny T, how are you? G, how are you? Nice. Bob Barker. The price is right. So the person who Gary Cortez and the person who lives in Miami, you could text me and maybe come up for a day. 914-500-7484. Whew. Are the Chinese going to be buying the gold 30-minute? Stick with MyFundedFutures. Palm Beach here. Let's get the cafe going. Datch, I have a Palm Beach, Jupiter, Miami. So you guys are close. If you're close, you can come visit. You can text me. Okay? You can text me. Again, my number, 914-500-7484. Text me and we'll set it up. Okay, Palm Beach, Jupiter, and Miami. JL Trading, the Chinese going to push it up. Still, come on, guys. We're 23 from 500, then Dodgers. Come on. F is the first letter. Okay. Looking forward to winning the trial to your group tonight. What a cool T-shirt. Yep. All I wear is a USA stuff.
Can you get Michael to send me the link so I can share it to the chat?
Michael, can you do that? Okay, Michael's going to send the link. Okay. Yeah, I'm serious. Anybody here close by? You know, I'm in Tampa, but I'll make the trip to the cafe once it's open. Cafe may take 6 months. I'm trying to still work all the details out. I'm trying to get 200 people. I'm going to get these elevated desks with a director chair, 6 monitors, and everybody's going to be able to have a spot. I think it's going to be one of the greatest spots. I'm going to look to open up 4 in my lifetime. 1 here, 1 in Tennessee, 1 in Chicago, and 1 probably out west. Okay, so I don't know. All right. Can we get the 500 here? Let's do 500. Let's go. This is a free night, everybody, and what I'm teaching you is exactly what I show during the day. Now, this gold is going to get one more push up here. Jesus, look at this gold off the
Steven,
15.
I don't want to interrupt you, but I have to ask. This picture you sent me with the caboose.
Yeah. I don't know. Somebody in my Discord made it up for me. I forgot who.
I think it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, post it in the YouTube if you can.
Yeah, well, give me 1 second.
Utah? No, too much snow. No. I don't even want to do the one in Chicago, but let me just get the one in West Palm done first. That's going to be when's that one is Ethan, how are you, Ethan? And I'm trying to figure a way. I'm working with a company, New York City. Never. Are you crazy? No way. If that guy wins as mayor, I'm not going near that place. Forget it. Atlanta. That might be a good one. Atlanta, right? Cranston, good job. Okay. JL Trading, come on down. Let's go. Again, anybody could text me. We'll set up. Okay. We'll set up. You guys spend, a couple hours with me here. Why not? I'm here. Where do I go? Let's go 200, 2 of them or 500. All right. Come to Chicago. Richard Salazar. I used to live in Chicago. It was probably one of the worst winters of my imagination. It was -5, 8 days in a row. I wanted to kill myself. Okay. I'm thinking about doing Boston. No, too cold, Julian. And no. 500, Denny. Here we go. Here's 500. And if those of you who are on my TikTok, you need to be on my my YouTube or MyFundedFutures YouTube to win. And you need to if Denny does a raffle tonight, we just lost 5. We gained 2. Count me in from Tampa. All right, if you're the one master, if you want to take a drive across the state, Austin, Texas, here you go. Jenny Drake. Molly's from Austin, Texas, right here. He's right here. You're from Austin, right? Yeah. So Austin.
Steven, you see the picture?
Huh?
You see the picture?
Where is it?
It's up on the YouTube.
I don't see it on YouTube.
You might have to fast forward your stream a little bit if you're watching on YouTube.
Yeah. Anybody again wants the weather? Oh my God, Arlington, Virginia. I don't see the picture, Denny. You see
I
the
haven't
picture?
posted.
I
Chat,
don't
y'all
see
see the
it.
picture?
I don't see the picture in here.
Are you watching the YouTube or are you looking at your YouTube?
I'm looking at YouTube. I see it. I see all the everything going by here. Just got the ferry dock. Yep. You see the pic? How come I don't see the pic?
It's here.
Oh, there it is. Kaboosh!
Kaboosh.
I know. Somebody put my head on a guy with a suit. That's not me wearing a tie. Trust me. Okay, I don't wear a suit and tie. Okay, look, I wear USA T-shirts, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
He said,
good
no
old
suit
USA,
here.
baby, greatest country in the damn land. That's it. All right. I see the picture. Camilio, how are you? Right. Great here for the cafe. Oh my God, I can't wait to do this cafe. USA, baby. Hell yeah. Let's get to 600. Come on, gold. Why you gold is exhausted. I want to walk in one morning and see gold down 300 points. I think that's going to happen.
You want to see it $300 down?
ICT, NGL. Oh, I think gold's got a 95, 96 RSI. The highest it's ever been. Jason 6563, congratulations, 4,500 on gold. Good job.
I want to know how much that would be if it dropped 300 points. Let's see. Steven, if it dropped all the way back to 4,000, that's $300 down, right?
That could happen, bro.
Yeah, but if you got into a sell right now, and if you were just able to hold it until then, that's $36,000 on one contract.
Oh yeah, I know. Somebody just said I should take a picture of that caboose with a USA T-shirt.
Graveyard. Go ahead.
I don't know. We got to
graveyard trades. You have to go to your billing cycle and click on the data, market data, and then just swap to COMEX.
Now you see this pullback here. If this gold, this is a little mini bull flag. So this gold just rallied 5 here. Okay, this gold little pullback just rallied 7. These 15s are going to turn up again here. Gold just rallied 7 while we were talking about all this. All right. 15 contracts, that's 54,000. I think he's right. All right. Austin, let's meet. What are fascinating results? Orton. Okay. No, it's Arton, not Orton. Arton. I don't even know if Arton's in the room today here. Okay. Bob, it's on the other YouTube channel. All right. So tonight, okay, so tonight I'm going to give away 20. Radel, so let's wait that your portfolio should have at least 15% in gold. Okay. So it ain't stopping. All right. Let's see here. Long 6 micros on gold. Good job. Okay, these 15s are going to turn up here. Again, you're going to have a lot of non-confirmations here. Let's see this 30. 30 is rising with the new highs. 60 rising with the new highs. So you got to be really careful. Really careful here. All right. King, long 3 gold. NQ Ryzen, how are you? All right. 508. All right. Let's go Dodgers. 3-1. Full port. We got to wait here. Gold just rallied 6 just now. S&Ps and NASDAQ doing nothing. All right. Was able to pull the chat, all chats in one main chat. Both YouTube. Okay, where is it? Okay. Let's see. The gold just, wow, there goes the gold. Up 8. Up 8 on that. Up 8. Okay, up 8. Banks failed today. I think gold goes high, stays high. All right. So if we get to 550, I'll do 10. If we get to 600, I'll do another 10. Access. There's Arton. Okay. Gold up 8. Stephen, gold to 4,500 by tomorrow morning. Well, anything's possible, right? Anything's possible. Anything's possible. All right, so we're going to see if MyFundedFutures wants to do a giveaway or not tonight. All right. They've given away 625 prop accounts. Oh, my God. Gold, just look at this gold. Right back up. My Lord. Now, if these 15s turn up here, this gold could make a new high here. All right. 500. We just lost 20. 625. Can we get some likes, people? Can we get some likes here also? All right. Let's see. There goes the gold. Just rally right here. Just rally 11. Who's still long gold? Up 12. Up 12. Up 12. Pump the likes. Let's go. Pump the viewers. Let's go. Ethan, how are you, Ethan? Miri FX. MyFundedFutures giveaway. I don't know. It's up to MyFundedFutures. It's up to MyFundedFutures. I can't tell them what to do.
Do you?
I'm going to give away 20. Right. I said right here, you could look to buy it here, and then it kicked it out up to 74. I didn't look to re-enter though. New high 4,400. That's not even a question. 4,400. Of course, that's not even a question. Is it possible to see when to get MyFundedFutures account, please? You got to win it. You got to win it. You got to win it. All right. Denny was nice enough last night to do, I think, 7. I think that was pretty nice. Right? 7. We need 600 viewers. Come on. Wow, look at that. They're challenging you. If you get to 600, they want 50 giveaways. I can't say that.
Not gonna happen because
nope,
in the past we were only doing 30 for 1,000. So just because you get to 600, I'm not doing 50 giveaways tonight.
We just lost 30 people.
Exactly.
I don't understand this. Look at this. Gold just rallied $15 just now. Are you crazy? Where's silver? All right. Libby Duo scaled out of 6. Good job. I got the gold. Who? Sarah. Great job, Sarah.
No.
Sarah got the gold. I'm telling you, Sarah's unbelievable.
Let me just
Look
say
at this gold.
chat,
15.
Chat, I'm not going to be doing, reach this amount of viewers and I'm going to do giveaways only because I don't want our channel to be botted. And I'm not dumb. I know a lot of you in here know how to bot channels. So I'm not doing that. If we reach a certain number, which I'm not going to tell you what that number is, if we reach it, then I might do 10 to 15 giveaways tonight.
So Sarah, they're asking, how does Sarah learn? Sarah's every day in my live stream. She's very proficient. She learned. She asks questions. She understands my methodology. Okay. And she's patient and she knows the patterns. Okay. And I'm very proud of her. I've never met her. I don't believe I ever talked to her. I might have, but either way, I'm very proud of her. I'm proud of Sunny. I'm proud of Amy, Katrina, Diana, so many women traders. I'm really, really proud of them. And you know what? Kudos. That's all I got to say. Erin, Pran, very proud of them as well. Okay. And I just really want my goal here is for everybody to pass. Okay. Every day to pass. So I'll tell you something today. So there's a gentleman who does phenomenal every single day. And we called a really nice short in silver. It dropped about 12, 13 cents. And I said, be careful. Be careful, I said. Be careful of the short. If you're short, it just dropped 12 cents. I would look to cover some, right, and lower your stop. I said it. Okay? I said it. Okay? And what happened? He says he blew 5 accounts. It rallied right back up. So first of all, he didn't lower his stop. He didn't take some profits on like whatever he was short, and he blew 5 accounts. And then he said, yes, I know, I'm mad at myself. I made a mistake. So I went completely crazy. All right. I went completely crazy. I said, first of all, my first podcast I ever did was I indicated that the two words I can't stand in the English language, okay, is I know, right? I know. So if you know, then why'd you do it, right? So then I'm very happy. Later on, he did well and he killed it, okay, right? I mean, that I know could can make me see white dots and lose my mind, okay? And remember, the first podcast I ever did, the first segment, I always go through examples. The second segment, I always go through what I think for the next day. And the third segment is a story or something I need to explain to you or teach you or something that's of utter importance. And I said, you know what? My first podcast, I'm going to talk about I know, okay? I don't want everyone here I know from anybody. If you know, then don't do it, okay? Go to the moon. Golders Valley 15. All right. Can we get to, oh, Jesus, can we get to 600 here? 600 views here. All right, Aaron, that's perfect, though. All right. All right. I don't know exactly. Son of Wall Street, how are you? Oh, boy. All right. All right. GL Camaro. Well, you got to learn. You got NASDAQ, please. What am I on? There's nothing in NASDAQ right now. Gold just rallied 17. Okay. Joe Lombardo. Joe Lombardo, you've been with me for a while. You should know by now. Okay. Hit the likes. Hit the stream. Let's get more viewers. Come on. Let's go. Share the stream, everybody. Right? Ryan Nichols. Thank you, Ryan. Let's go. All right. Just because first of all, a down day, let me tell you about a down day. I love down days, okay? Let me show you this great pattern on the S&Ps. You want to see a great pattern? I'll show you a great pattern, okay? Okay, I'll show you a great pattern, okay? Here's the first double red short. You short the first bounce here, it's 43, okay? Second, beautiful bear flag, 14, kabooshed, okay? And then look at this pattern here. You got the long here at 54 and 3/4 off the buy divergence. Look at this. Boom. Rallies 50. Okay. Here's the short off the 15-minute time frame. We call this short here at 98. Caught the other short here above 02, 01, 02 right here. Got kabooshed. And then look at the double red short, the 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. You short the bounce here, 68. Caught the other short here at 69. And look at it. Boom. Right down to 41. I mean, you're talking monster moves here. These are monster great patterns. ISO ticks. Well, I'm giving away 20. I don't think MyFundedFutures is going to do anything because, you know, they've given away 625. And we got to, they want over 600. They want close to 600. Sarah's gold is my favorite. I agree. Okay. Michael B., how are you? All right. All right. Where can I find my podcast? It's on SK. It's on my SK Trading YouTube. It's on my SK Trading YouTube. It's the bull, the bear, and the ugly. Okay. The bull, the bear, and the ugly is my podcast. Okay. All right. All right. Very slow here tonight. Very slow. Very, very slow. Hello, SK. Diego Scalper, how are you? All right. What's this S&P's doing? See what this gold's doing right back up here. Well, gold, 83 down to 77. Little bear flag. All right. Amego, how are you? 82 hit, now back to 72. I don't think so. These 15s are starting to turn up. So I want to see it go a little higher here. I want to see a little higher. CT Clutch, how are you? SK Trading, the cafe. I don't know, sometime June maybe. Gold just dropped 7. Okay, G's G. Okay, G's G. All right, come on, let's go get this raffle going. You want to do 10 now, Michael? I'm going to do 10 of my raffle, which is 7-day free to my live stream Monday through Friday from 9 to 4. So please, I hope you guys. How many people signed up so far? 160. Only 160 people signed up. You want me to wait? You guys want to sign up more? And you got it. You can't win if you win. Okay, you can't win again for 3 months. Okay, because I stream and I want everybody to have this. Okay, so there's MyFundedFutures. Okay, all right. He's new here. Manny Shack Car, how are you? Guys, you got to sign up if you want to be part of my raffle. You guys got to sign up. Gold just dropped 10. All right. There's MyFundedFutures. Okay. You think gold's gonna get caboose with China? Could be. Can I invest in the cafe? Okay, I joined today, so not signing up. All right, Gary B, good job, Gary B. How'd you like your first day, Gary B? Gold retrace 50%. I would love to see gold retrace 50%. It's not happening though. MyFundedFutures is number 1. I totally agree. Okay, all right. You know what? Why don't we do the raffle before the Chinese market opens? Okay, the Chinese market, you think it's going to gap up and then down, or down and then up? So up and then down, or down and then up? Okay. All right. He loved it. Gary B. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, Michael. Let's do 10. So please, you have to sign up. If you didn't sign up for this round, you got to sign up for the next one. Okay.
Guys, I'm on the MyFundedFutures prop firm account, by the way. Also, if you are not able to trade gold, you have to go to your MyFundedFutures billing tab and click on I don't want to tell you
Angel Mary, how are you? And again, anybody new, you could text me at 914. I'll put it here. 914-500-7484. There it is. That's
all right. So you have to go to MyFundedFutures billing billing tab, click on the market data subscription, and then change it to where all of them are selected, or just change it to where you select COMEX. It's all free.
Petruviv, how are you?
That's how you trade gold.
Right. All right, Michael, let's do the giveaway 10 before the Chinese market. You ready? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Well, answer me.
I said yes.
If you said yes, I wouldn't ask you a second time. Okay. All right. Gold's going to go right back up. 914 Kaboosh. I love it. All right. All right. You have to sign up. This is for my 7 days free to my live stream from 9 to 4. It's a nanosecond, no 20-second delay. All right. Let's go. Here's 10 names. Let's do it. Let's do 10 names here. Learn trading. David Finnegan, how are you? PSM Investments, congratulations. Let's do it. Okay, do it again. That's 1. Again, if you've won before, you can't re-enter. Okay. Pony Gold, love that name. Fiber Spice God. Fiber Spice, congratulations. There you go. How do I join, Mr. Zone? You got to click on the link. Can somebody help Mr. Zone, please? Dexter W1. That's 3. Congratulations. There you go. Come on, Nick. Everybody hit those likes. David Finnegan, you can text me, and here's my phone number. I'd love to hear from you. For the winners, you will win. Cam Sachs, long gold from 73. Good job, Arton. Good job, Arton. Great job. It traded down to 65. Let's go, Dodgers. Congrats. DNE Bad Z. Congratulations. What's that, 4 or 5? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. 494. Can we get to 600? Peter B. Peter B, congratulations. Stops at 70. If you're long at 73, raise your stop to like probably 76, Arton. You want to lock in 3, right? I know. Michael B trades. Congratulations. I know, Ethan. Can we get to 1,000? Exactly. Help me out. Share the stream. Fiber Spice Guide. Congratulations. Adam Daz. There you go. I didn't see that last one. We get to 1 million, hopefully. All right, this gold market's going to open here in China. Imago D Trading. I hope I'm saying it right. How many is that, Michael? There you go, Ethan. Drew. Okay. Drew. Why is this market so slow tonight? David Finnegan. Okay. All right. If we get to 1 million, viewer dinners is going to give out 1 account to everyone. You get to 1 million views, I'm sure MyFundedFutures will do something great. All right. Arton, be careful on this gold. I'd probably raise my stop. All right, so we just gave away 10. Congratulations. I'll do another 10 in an hour. We got the Chinese market going to open here in 2 minutes. Okay. 503. Congrats, winners. China open in 1 minute. So I think China is going to do up and then down. You guys think down and then up, most of you? You think down and then up? Arton, I hope you stopped yourself out. All right. Kaboosh. All right. Can you tell all right.
Are you short on that? No. Good.
All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. Stop out on the last 2. All right, good. You raised your stop. Good job. Take note, Marvel. There goes silver. What's silver doing? Gold just got kabooshed. All right, 1 minute. Nice bear flag on this gold here. Let's see what the silver is doing. Silver just got kabooshed. Requesting data. Why? Silver just got kabooshed. All right. Jeter, congratulations, Jeter. Made 1,000. Good job. Oh, look at this. Look at this silver. Oh my God, this gold. That's why I said I would raise the stop. Hand on the mouse. Exactly. Hand on the mouse. Okay. Down and then down. I say up and then down. Look at this gold. Right back up. Oh, my God. All right. Chinese market just open here. Gold just rallied here. I think this gold is going to run. Gold just spinning. Let's see if this gold pushes up to 80. Let's go 78, 80. S&P's pushing up. NASDAQ pushing up here. Wow, gold just rallied. Paw on the mouse. Silver just rallied here. 14. What's this gold doing? You're long or you're short? I don't see any patterns here, so I would just be really careful, especially with this market came out here. 65 just ran. It's going to dump. You got to be kidding me. Chris Ref 6334. What'd you do, Chris? Dodgers to the World Series. Wow, it's over. They won already. They beat the Brewers. Still holding Bitcoin. Okay, on the long. I would probably raise your stops, though. Look at this gold cabooshed. Oh, my God. This gold. Can you imagine where the stop orders are on this? Let's get the likes up, too. What's up, Patrick Bateman? How are you? Come on, give us some action here. Give us some action. Give us some action. 63 on the gold. Now my entry, but got faked out on the small puff. All right, as long as you locked it in. Artan, I hope you raised your stop to 76. S&P's, kaboom. Yeah, kaboom. That's gold just rallied 6. This gold's an animal. Pumping, come on. Michael B. Very hard to buy him. I mean, look at this gold. Look at this gold. I mean, I show you this daily every day. Look at this gold. Oh, look at this. 350 points. Oh, my God. This gold is going to get kabooshed. Oh, my God.
Let's go.
Lizzie, how are you, B? Lizzie B. Lizzie B. Trade Warrior Hub. Gold got, look, everybody's using my word, kabooshed. Look at that. 60. Look at this. I can't even say the word buy gold. Look at this.
Buy. Steve, I made $500
crazy.
on that short.
You what?
I made $500 when it started going down.
There you go. Then he pressed it. Wow. NASDAQ right back up.
Still going.
SM. Oh, my God. Artan.
Where's this?
Artan, I hope you stopped out at 76. Oh, my God. China's dumping the gold. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Kabooshed. What idiot paid right here, 91.80. NASDAQ, kaboom. And we got a kabooshin. 824. My NASDAQ, what? Let's go. Look at silver. I'm forget it. Everything's getting. Look at this. Kaboosh. Barbara, how are you? 3K on the short swing century. Great job. Look at this. Oh my God. This thing can drop like $20. 559. Sonny K. There you go. Scaling out of micros. Good job, Mark Clayton. Martin. Raj, where are you, my brother? Where are you, Raj? Where are you, Raj? Gold just rallied 7. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? NASDAQ just exploded. That was intense. Yes. Kabooshed. Caught $7 on that rally. Should have bought it. 55.5. A little slow at the gate here today. These 15s are still bullish. Just rallied 10 on the gold here. 5 o'clock and next thing you're ready to roll. 509 gave it all back. Ice Tea Trader, what'd you do? What'd you do, Ice Tea Trader? Ice Tea Trader, what'd you do, brother? What'd you do? Come on, give me a push up into this negative MACD. Get me back up here. Gold to 76? Oh, baby, I hope so. Caught the long, 10 points. Anthony G, good job, Anthony G. Long NASDAQ, Ice Tea. All right. I'd short these S&Ps here. These S&Ps get another push up here. Oh, my God. 62 to 67, 68, I would short it. Gold's going right back down again. Let's see if we get one more push down. That was a short. 66. Oh, they're going to get cabooshed. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Oh, my God. This gold's going to go right to 53. Watch. Let's go. Got 590. Michael Pitts, great job. I still think we're going to get one more push. I want gold to go down to 50, but not sure where we get there. Derek got 4. Okay. Come on. Give me a push up to 76 to get short into these negative. These 15s are turning up here. You got to be really careful. I was hoping for one more push down to get long. 71 then drop. Oh, yeah. I think you're right. Well, you got the negative MACDs on the 15 and on the 5. Just got down to 58. Come on, give me one more push down to 53. Oh, yeah. Got chopped up, Raphael trades. Wait, you got to wait for the market to settle. How can I learn? Michael, you reading the people on TikTok? $520. All right, Raphael, you can text me. Come on, do something here. All right, 43.60. I think it can go. I'm hoping it gets down to 43. 43. If 50 holds, it'll go to 70. Yeah, I want to see if it holds, like if it gets down to like 53, 52, 54 range, and then let's go to micros. All right, come on, let's get to 600. Quote the NASDAQ short. All right, NASDAQ, I probably look to short if it gets up to the 30 to the 60 range. S&P 62 to 68, 67, 68. Just to scalp long and go. I tried, yeah, it happened so fast. Keep cooking the views on the chat. Let's go. All right. S&Ps just dropped 2. This gold just rallied 10. Come on, gold. Get up here. Get up here. Our time. Look at this 15s turning up here. Oh, my God. Just rallied 12. Here we go. Here we go. You want these 5s to get overboard. I want to see this gold get right back up 70, 75, 78. All right. I'm dying. I was praying for one more push down to get long. Come on. We got to get to 550, 600. I know I'm pissed I missed it down there. It happened so fast. S&P's just, what do you call it? Gold just rallied 14 here. Oh, my God. I want to see these 5s turn up. 15s turn up. Gold 70. Oh, man. Jesus, gold 70. 69.5. Come on. Give me a move to 74, 75, 76. 900 on that push. Good job, Barbara Beige. There you go. 520 views. Let's go. All things Trump. Good evening. How are you? All things Trump. Triple M, how are you? All right. Here goes the gold, Arton. 71. Look at this. 16 up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give me a push up here, baby. 15's gonna get overbought into the negative MACDs. If this gold gets up to the 74.80 to 79.80, I probably look to short, or 75.80 to 80.80. I want to get up into this range right here. I'm looking. Going to fill the gap now. I hope so. Up 362. Cool Tracer, how are you? 522. Not yet. Holding shorts. Where? 71.5. I still think you're going to get these 15s are going to turn up here. I'm hoping that they get a little bit more. I cancel the short range. I might go. I want to see if it gets even higher. Okay. I want to see if it gets even higher. All right, if you short the NASDAQ at 30, look to cover below 24. S&Ps, I'd cancel the short. Cancel Ps get to the 62, 68. I'd short it. All right. Up 380. Good job. Getting long gold. I would not be buying gold here. Gold, there was a way to buy the gold. 71.5. Oh, just dropped 5. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Come on. Oh, fuck. Unbelievable. Just got absolutely kabooshed. Look at this. This thing's an animal. Just dropped $7. You see that? You see that? Raj is short. NASDAQ just dropped 16. S&Ps just dropped 4. Missed the 62 short. You better visit soon. Get out of New Jersey. Oh, my God. When I started in the business, you know where gold was? 265. Can you imagine? $265. Patrick, good job. Oh, my God. $10 on gold. Oh, my Lord. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? There you go. NASDAQ, anybody get the short above 30? S&Ps, the 62 print was before me. Oh, my God. All right, I still think this is going to go to 53. 53, and then maybe up to 76. What the heck? Come on, guys. Let's get to 700, 600. Yep. Silver was $3. Yep. Oh, my God. Kabooshed. $12, $13. Wow. Bitcoin was 2 cents. Absolutely. Wow. Andrew Knapp, $3. 42 years ago. 43, yep. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I thought it was going to get here at 73, 74, and then it just got kabooshed. All right. I'm still bull on today, NASDAQ. Well, I just nice little short there. I want to see if these if this gold can get down to 52, 53. If it breaks 50, look out. Wow, you bought 4 Bitcoin at 265. I hope you still kept it. I hope you still kept it. Congratulations to the 10 winners for my live stream. 7 days free access. That's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Silver was 3. Wow. Tio Gerson, how are you? Nice to meet you. And please hit the likes, please, everybody. Please hit the likes. All right. Okay. All right. Let's get this. Wow, this gold, man. I can't even say the word buy. 15's got to get oversold. Andrew Knapp. Yeah, but I think it's going to go to 53.5. Let's see. Oh, man. Here we go. If you want to take a scalp long on this gold, probably look to go like 46.5 to 52.5 range. And I would use micros. All right. Here we go. I told you 53. Look at this guy. All right. 42.5. Okay. Just trade it up to 54. What's the low? 52. 55. There you go. What happened? Oh, my God. There you go. 51. Done. There you go. There you go. Oh, my God. This gold. All I want to do is just short this gold. But you could take a scalp long. Here we go. Here we go. Hope you kicked that. Again, if you want to take another scalp long here, you can go 40, 43.5, 49.5, 49, 43, 49. Again, you got to switch to micros here. This gold is so overbought. It scares me even say the word buy. Let's go on MyFundedFutures. Look at this.
That's me, Steven.
That's you?
That's me. 3K today.
There you go.
I got in a short whenever it was at 371.2.
71?
Yeah, 71.2, and I wrote it all the way down.
You guys switch to micros here. Look at this gold. $30 from the 10 bar. Oh, this is going to get kabooshed here. Only an idiot shorts gold. It just dropped $70. $40 to $50. Scale out of longs up here between 44 and 47, 48. Right back up. There you go. Right back up. Only an idiot shorts gold. You know how much money we made short in gold today, in and out? I can't even begin to tell you. Okay? Got to know what you're doing. 1260. Good job. There you go. Going, gone. Come on. Now these 15s are going to reverse the sell here. The 30-minute time frame reverses the sell here. Taking, oh, Jesus. Another 20 points lower on the 60, the 30. There goes, look at this gold. 48. Should be scaling out of longs up here. 50. Oh, my God. If this gold gets right, what's the high in this bar? This gold gets up to 55.5. All right, just traded. Jesus, it just rallied 14. This gold is going right back up. If these 15s turn up, this gold is going right back up. Denny, 3Gs, good job. Right here, that 71 print. I was thinking 73, 74 up here, Denny, when that happened. If you want to short this gold, you want to take a short scalp. I'd probably look to take a short scalp only on this bar, like 52.5 up to, let me just watch this. Let me see what the next bar is here. 15. Let me see here. This should get up to here, 54. Oh, kabooshed. 50. I'm so bearish on this thing. I can't even begin to tell you. 920 on that gold. On the long, Sarah, great job. Oh my God, Sarah. Great job. Oh, kabooshed on 50. See, I was looking to short this on that. If it got up to 52 here or 51, was the high 50.5. Got to really focus. This is a pencil down, so you short the next bar. You see that? Oh, my God, right back down. This gold is going right to 30. I want to short this thing so bad I could taste it. Not one buys? Not one buy? I don't think you heard me. I quote along here, and I quote along here. I don't know what you're listening to. Take notes, Z Marble. Oh, man. And when gold's up the way it is, do you know how hard it is to buy something like that? You know, the years of experience, it's so hard. I mean, yes, there are certain patterns and pullbacks. Like when the ADX was rising here, you could have bought this nice bull flag earlier if we were on. Okay. Look at this gold, 50. This thing's going to get killed. Come on, give me one push up to get short. Yeah, we index futures, NASDAQ just dropped 20. S&Ps, I say look to short at 62. The touch there before I got in. Gold, S&Ps just dropped 6. I'm sorry, 5. Let's see if this gold can get a push up. Okay. When you say not one long, I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, very hard to buy and seeing going up. What a wise ass. Ban him. Oh, my God. Then he banned this guy.
Who? Who am I banging?
This guy right here. I highlighted.
What's his name?
I don't know. Nichi Kumar, whatever. I'm not dealing with this nonsense.
Where is he at? Where's he at?
I'm not dealing. 43 years in the game. I got to listen to that? No way. 50 on the gold.
He's not popping up for me. LA Dodgers, the Steelers better not be choking. I'm not watching the game right now, but they better not be choking.
The Dodgers, why? I thought they were winning.
No. He said Steelers are choking. Oh, okay. Patrick, thank you, man. Thank you so much.
What happened?
He said the Steelers are winning. He said people are just trolling the chat.
Oh. I thought the Dodgers won.
For Kumar's message.
I thought the Dodgers won.
No, we were talking about the Steelers. I said LA Dodgers because that's his name.
LA Dodgers.
Yep. That's his name, so.
Reeby, come on, let's go to 600. All right, look, here goes the gold pushing up. Jesus. Just come on, get up to the 10 bar. If you want to take a scalp short here on this gold, I'm hoping if it gets to 54, 55. Oh, what is the high here? 54. I just said it. Jesus. Let's see if this 5-minute. I'm going to see if this gets this push up here. This 10 bar is 65. That's still a long way. 16 up. That's nothing in gold. I'm a Steeler fan too. Brewers a 9. What do you mean a 9, Brian? What do you mean? Don't short gold? Oh, if it goes higher, I would. It's going to go back down. It hit 54 and just dropped 6. Shit. Come on, give me a push up here. You're $15 from the 10 bar moving average. You see that right there? You want at least want to cut that in half to 7. So 56, 57, I'm thinking. You see that? You see that? Come on. The Chinese stopped buying gold. I think you're right. Up 250. I agree. I think it might be it for a while. Let's get up here. Shout out to Hendrix. Oh, my Hendrix. Oh, he's crazy. My dog, he's absolutely out of his mind. Okay, nice little bull flag on the NASDAQ and S&P. Should get one more push up here. All right. Abdul Wahid looks very interesting. Can you also join? Yes, you could join. Oh, look at this gold down $8. That's Jesus Christ. It's gonna get killed. Oh, 54, right to my number. Damn it. Come on. I know nothing. Exactly. Just dropped 10 on the gold. Come on.
Steven, was it Nitish Kumar?
Yeah. Out. How'd I come up with that 54? Well, you see here, if you look at the 3-minute time frame, you can see this is a little bear flag on the 3. See the negative MACD here? That's why I was hoping for a push up here. You see this bear flag right here? When you have an ADX rising like this here, you want to trade off the 3-minute time frame. You see the 5 here? ADX is rising here. You see that right there? You want to short the bounce off the ADX on the 3-minute. That's what I was hoping. So it dropped 10, but now I want to see if you get a push up off the 5. Okay? You want to see if you get a push up off the 5. Patrick, you got it? Okay? Damn it. That's what I was thinking. I said 54, maybe I said 55, 56, and of course it hit 54 and just dropped 10. Come on, gold. I mean, when you see a daily this far and the exponential and the standard deviation is 50 and you're 300, this gold is going to get slaughtered. I don't know what lunatics are buying gold up here. I'm telling you, going to wake up and it's going to be down 150, 150. This, look at this. I can't even say the word buy. Took a scalp long here, and that was it. We can still pop through. Chicken trader, how are you? What are you doing? Oh my God, down 14. Ay. The Dodgers won? Good job. All right. The shorts are the only one who bought it. PG contract? I don't think so. London Central will start soon. I agree. Denny, great job. What are you up? 3,900 tonight?
2,900 tonight.
29?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm not about to give my money back, that's for sure.
You are or you aren't?
No, I'm not. I'm
no,
not.
Sir.
I'm not,
No,
not.
What do you link to 5 accounts on that or just one?
Two accounts.
2? All right. 14-10 Bengals. What are the predictions for gold today? I think gold's going to get killed. Any soccer fans here? I'm a soccer fan.
Steelers are down right now. That's sad. That makes me sad.
I didn't say they were idiots at 2,000, 3,000. I didn't say that. I said whoever bought gold right here, 43.91. I don't know what the hell is he thinking. Lost 150,000 in useless degrees. No comment. All right, can we get to 68 more? 68 more to 600. Let's go. All right. Let's see here. Raises. They raised 5,000 on gold. I think gold can hit 5,000, but I think sometime in 2026. Yeah. Can I show the silver chart? Sure. I should actually leave the silver chart up. You got a bear flag setting up on silver here. Oh, got kabooshed. Wow, 59 that rallied all the way up like that, silver. Jesus. Anybody really trade silver here? Anybody just dropped 10 cents here? Market's not going to fall asleep. All right, Dodgers, unbelievable. There goes the gold. Oh, my God, S&P. There goes the gold, down 14. Jesus. This gold's going to get absolutely kabooshed. That 54 print. Damn it. All right. Wow, this is a quiet night tonight.
Steve, I'm feeling generous after those wins that you called out today.
Well, look at this gold. This gold's going to make new low. This gold's going to get kabooshed. You know, you got to worry about when the market's like this.
Right now.
You got to worry about stock. Oh my God, silver just dropped. 06. Yep. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You're on silver, by the way, so we couldn't see.
What I know. Somebody asked me, look. Oh my God, look at these stop orders. I told you gold's going to go to 33. Oh my God. This gold's going to. Oh my God, 54 to 34. Oh my God, silver. 06 just dropped 30. Kaboosh! Where's the bear?
I got you.
You know what you got to worry about with this? You got to worry about stop orders. These institutions. If you wanted to take a scalp long, 22.5 to 28.5. Silver. Look at this silver. They're going to get kabooshed here. This silver, unbelievable. Lost my eval on gold. How, Raphael Trades? How? I told you it was going. I was looking for shorts. It's no longer fun because I don't know what you're doing. Text me or call me, Raphael Trades. Well, what were you doing? What were you doing? You see the negative MACDs here. I said I'm looking for a short. Silver, if it gets to the 55, 65, I probably look to buy it for a scalp. We're here because of the distance from the 10 bar. Here, where's this gold? 28, 29, of course. Just rally. All right. Raphael Trades, what are you doing? Raphael Trades. I said if it pushes up, I'm looking for shorts. I can't even say the word buy unless it's a scalp long.
Raphael, you can't give up, man.
You told me what?
I went a year. I went a year and a half before I finally received a payout. A year and a half. And then after that one payout, I went another 6 months before I got another one. You can't give up. You got to keep pushing forward.
You can't give up, but you should learn from me. Okay? You should learn. Look at this silver just rallied. Look at this silver. Look at this gold. Jesus, missed the gold by, look, $1. Just ran up. I know. I should. Yeah. I just got to figure a way to do that. All right, I cancel the silver. Mr. X, 1,000 on 5. See, Raphael, you see other people doing it? No, because you gotta understand what's going on. Look at this silver just rallied 20 cents. Gold just rallied 7. I cancel the buy range on the gold. Okay, Raphael, you're more than happy to text me later. Okay. I agree. This gold's a short on every rally. Look at this gold. Just rallied $10 just now. I missed it by like $1. Jesus, Lord God. It's like one of those nights tonight. I said 28.5. The high, look at this. Look at it, 29. You got to be kidding me.
I feel like doing.
I'm not yelling at him. I'm trying to emphasize he needs help. Okay. I said I'm looking for shorts here. Okay. And I said 54, 55, 56 here. And hopefully it gets up halfway point, right? It was 60, 65. I said halfway point, somewhere up here. I was pointing up here, Raphael. Okay. And what are you doing? You're buying. I can't even, it's so hard to be buying gold here. I mean, this thing up $90 when I walked in here. It just dropped 60 off the high, Raphael. Okay, if you were bearish all along, then you switch to micros and you got to go. First of all, I think your scaling in probably is terrible. I think 4,400 is dead for a while. I think 4,200. Okay, here's a bet. 4,200 or 4,400 first. I say 4,200 first. How's that? Okay. If you're bearish as I was and you see the new highs here and your MACDs can't confirm, look at this. The MACDs can't confirm on the 5-minute. Here's the bear flag here at 83. Okay. I was looking for 85.5. Of course, never got there. Then here on this one right here, 71. I said 74. Of course, it's one of those nights I'm missing that. Okay. Caught a couple longs here. I told Arton when it was 79 to raise his stop. He was long at 73 to stop himself out at 76. Okay. Right. All right. Okay. I say 4,200 before 4,400. All right. So you got to understand what you're doing. Read what I said. Where? You shorted pullbacks? No, you short bounces. You buy pullbacks. Okay? You already don't even your wording. Okay? Your wording is even wrong. Okay? I mean, you could do this. You could do this. No, don't ever give up. What are you, crazy? Oh, here we go. I just took my. If it gets down to the, look at this. I just missed the long. If this gold gets down, this gold is going to get. If your gold gets down to the 18.5, 24.5 range, I take a scalp long, micros. I just took my eye off this thing. Where's this silver now? And again, you got to go micros here. Okay, it just rallied 5. Jesus, you got to go micros on this. Here we go. You got to go micros on the long. Get $32 from the 10 bar. Okay. Okay. What happened to Arton? I know. I agree. If you bought the gold at 24.5, I raised your stops. Just you get it long? Good job. Where am I going here on this gold? What was the low here? This rally, $10 on the gold. You scale in micros. You go every 2. Okay? Every 2. Can we get to 600 here? Spin the wheel. You crazy? Right now. Anybody get the long on the gold? Anybody? You go every 5 if it moves like that. All right, to each his own. This gold's going to get absolutely kabooshed. I'm telling you now. Michael.
Yeah.
Here we go. Buy some here. 19 and a half, go 19 and a half, go 16 and a half, and go 13 and a half. Here we go. On Legends. If it gets down to the 11 and a half, 12 and a half, 19 and a half range, of course I missed it by 10 cents. Oh my God, look at it right back up. Michael Jacques, look at it go. Just rallied 6. I cancel it. Oh my God. You missed it by 10 cents. Oh my God. It's going to get killed. All right. This goes here. I think go 10 and a half to 16 and a half. Watch this gold. You got to watch out for monster stop orders by institutions here. I'm telling you now, I've seen this. You got to be really careful. I mean, this thing's down $70 from the highs. I mean, I can't even say, I couldn't even say the word buy. I mean, scalp long here with micros, if that, by 16 and a half, by 13 and a half, and by 10 and a half. They're going to get killed. Watch. Here we go. 16 and a half. Order filled. There you go. So it's 18s. 18s. Sold. There you go. That's how you do it. I told you going to 16 and a half. There you go. There you go. It's going to go. It's this thing. There you go. It's going to go lower. If you're long here, look to sell about 18 to 20. Look at this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Here's 20 out. Again, now you take the low here. What was the low? 15. All right. Look to buy a gold here again. You go 09 to 15. Again, you use micros. Okay. If you want to take a scalp long. Here we go. What did I tell you? By 14 and a half. By 12 and a half. All right, by 09 and a half, sell 14s. Oh, by 09 and a halves. Look at this. This is by 09. Oh, by 08 and a halves. Where am I long?
You got your average is 9. It's 10.
Okay. Buy some more at the 05 and a half, 05 and a half. Sell some at 10. Sell some at 10. Sell some at 10, 10 and a half, 11. Sell them. Out. No! I told you it's a piece of garbage. Look at this drop. Oh my God. It's crashing. 9 down 100 off the highs. Oh my God. Buy some here at 95, 90, 92. Buy some at 92.
92.
Bought it. You bought them?
Yep.
Sell them 98s. Sell them.
Sold.
That's it. Up 7.
Wow.
Wow.
That was the fastest I've ever seen.
Daddy, where's the bear sound? This is a caboose. I told you got to watch for these stop orders. Oh my God, I love it. I love when they go down. That's it. I think you've seen the high. I think you've seen the high in gold. 43.91. This guy just jumped.
You're telling me I missed out on $5,000 more dollars?
If you, I don't know, I guess.
It is. It is. From that high that I got in at all the way to the bottom right there
Wow,
is
gold just rallied 16.
$7,000.
Yeah, but now you're going to get a bounce to get short. Let's go. Oh, my God. 100 points off the high.
That's
Oh, my
$8,000.
God.
Right? I missed $6,000 more.
Oh, my God.
Jesus.
Oh, my God. And it's going to drop more. I agree. This gold is finished, baby. You've seen the highs. That's it. That's why I said look at this. I said 54, 55, 57. I'll see. I won't even sleep tonight. Look at this. New lows here. Oh, my God. This here, if you want to buy the gold, look to go long 80.5 to 87.5. Watch what's going to happen. Boom. It just dropped. Look at this. It just dropped 25 like nothing. Watch 87.5. Here we go. Let's see 87.5. Let's see 87.5. Arton! 100 off the highs, Arton. What are you, crazy? 91 again. This thing's going to go to 87. You see these negative MACD? Where's Raphael Trades? Raphael Trades, you better call me. Okay? Caught 600 off the bottom tick. Kaboom! There you go. Here's another. Look at it. Now we got to look to short it. This thing could rally up to 30. Be careful. Arton, you in there? What a drop. Love when they go down. Oh, my God. Up 20. Look at this. Up 20 off the lows. Trade with it. Let's go. Arton, you long? Sovereignty. Everybody welcome Sovereignty. Arton, raise your stops, Arton. Jesus, I was making $4 out of clip. This I can't believe. I told you when you were $57 away from the 10-bar moving average. Let's go, Denny. Did you buy him down there?
Steven, you know I'm not trading no more tonight.
Oh, John, that's my. I mean, who's that? Joe Lombardo. That's my line. My brain hurts. Look at my phone's blown up with people with. Oh my God! What a long. Oh my God! You buy him? You can't look back. You cannot look back on a trade. Period. Up 30. If it ticks at 21, it'll be up 30. There you go. Up 30. Raphael, you're sick. You know why? Because you know what you're doing. You got to call me and I'll fix you. Okay? Your soul hurts? Nah, come on. This is fun. You know what? When I see the S&Ps, okay, down 1,000 and oil a negative 40, I've seen everything. Okay? Come on. Be a pro. Let's go. Be a pro. Oh, my God. Good job. Joe Lombardo, what is that about? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just dropped 15. You see the ADX rising here? Okay, these rallies got to be shorted. I was thinking 27, 28 on that. Back over 500. Fill the coolers. Absolutely. Fill the coolers. The ladder is, in my opinion, the best way to execute. The ladder is the best way to execute. Volatility is exactly what you want as a day trader. Fill the coolers, Nick P. Okay? Load them up. Cheater, how'd you do on that? Or Cheater stopped? Good job, Michael. That was fast. The DOM is, in my opinion, you know, people want to execute off of the what do you call it? The chart. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that. All right, let's do our 10 last. Denny, I don't know if you're going to do a raffle or not. I'm going to do my 10. Michael, let's do it quickly before this gold makes a move here.
I'll do 10. I'll do 10.
Oh wow! Look at this. Denny's going to do 10. Denny, you let me do my 10. Then you do.
All right, you got go ahead. I just put the link out there, so they better do it quick.
All right. So this is our last night tonight. We'll be back on Monday. Okay. I may do Sunday night though. I don't know. Be on the lookout. Benny, I might do a Sunday night.
You might do a Sunday night yourself?
Yeah, I don't know. You want to join me?
I might join you. Look at it. Everybody quickly going to go fill out the form I just pushed out. That's crazy.
What are they doing?
I just pushed the form out literally 2 seconds ago, and we already got 118 people that entered it. 132.
For MyFundedFutures?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So let's do this, Michael, before this gold does anything. All right. Here's the wheel for my 10 7-day free access. Bitcoin just dropped 400. Then you see a 100-point drop in gold on an overnight session. That's wild. I love it. That's why it's like, it's just so hard to be buying up there, Arton, what a stop out at 76. All right, this is a 10 for my what am I looking at here? All right, we're gonna do 10 for my giveaway. Wow, what a night. All right, this Yane Vest. Let's go. That's one. I knew this was coming. I'm telling you, this gold could be down like 150, 200, 200. Like in 3 days, you could evaporate 400 to 500 points on gold. You mark my words, right? Andrew Knapp, you got it? Milton Barros Leon, 9655. Congratulations. This is all for access to my live stream. Hey, Denny, I'm going to do Sunday night. What do you think?
No, I think that would be a good idea.
Yeah, we got to just figure. Michael's not going to be here, but I got to figure. Oh, my God, S&P's just got caboose. NASDAQ just dropped 60 off the high. S&P's down 10 off the high. James K., congratulations.
Jesus.
The whole market is going to get crushed, I'm telling you. Did you get the longs on there a little bit?
I mean, I'm gold. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I missed
S&P's, look at this. Praju. There you go. Raj. I agree. Look at this. S&P's cabooshed. Now, why was I showing the S&P's up there? The 15s got overbought into the negative MACDs on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Amajo D trading. Congratulations. Wow, this is awesome. All right. I'm going to do Sunday night. Morpho. Denny, you want to do it on my YouTube, or should we do it on your YouTube, or both? I don't care.
We'll do it on yours, just because I don't know if MyFunded.
All right. So, guys, check out my YouTube on Sunday night. I'm going to do it Sunday night here. Aaron's going to help me. Mike, we don't have to worry about it. It's only going to be like maybe 2 hours anyway.
So I think within 6.
Yeah, but I'll be here early, like 5:30 to get ready. Okay. I'm going to do it. All right. Nitsu Schroeder, 7143. How many is that list, Michael?
You got 3 more.
3 more. Sunday night, please go to SK Trading YouTube, and I'll be here. Okay. Blood on the streets. Arton, look at that. Mr. Zone, 1982. I could not believe I saw gold. When I walked in, I said to JD, I'm like, oh my God, what a short up here. And he said, yep. Oh my God. Michael short gold first. Yep. Heather ERV, Heather V, 26. Congratulations. What, 2 more, Michael? One more. All right. Again, this is for oh my God, S&P's kaboosh down 20. NASDAQ just dropped 80. Junabad 3412. Congratulations to the 20. I just gave away 80 access to 7 days free to my live stream. I nanosecond, okay, which means there's no 20-second delay. You see you see everything here, and you'll be part of a phenomenal community. All right. 1,400 on the gold short. Okay. All right, so this was a pencil pattern here. Let me just teach you this before we go here. This pencil, 35 down to, so gold here dropped 44, and then it pushed up to 22. So this is called a pencil. You see the ADX rising. I was looking for more 24, 25. The high here, 22.60. So, hey, that's it. All right, Denny, your turn on 10.
Let's do it. All right, who's going to be the lucky 10 tonight? Juicer, congratulations. I think
6
Juicer
o'clock,
won
JD.
too.
Oh, my God. Look at the S&Ps.
Murmur, congratulations.
Congratulations.
MTE Chat, let's get some hype. Let's get some W's for these winners. Woo!
There you go.
I'm going to put some background music in this soon.
What's W's mean?
Wins.
Oh, wins? These people all won?
No. They're saying W's for everybody who has one.
Oh, congratulations.
Broken full port.
Wow.
What a name.
I know. It would be a limit down. Oh, my God. Look at these S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped 100 off the highs. Unbelievable.
The Trader's Nest, number
This stock is
5. We
going
got
to
5 more to go,
60-50.
chat.
You mark my words. What'd you make tonight?
81.
100?
Yeah.
Boom!
He made how much tonight, Steven?
No. JD made 8,100 behind me.
Let's get some W's in the chat first. You said eight.
Eight them. What'd you make? 300? All right. Good job. Proud of you. All right. Okay. Hey, before we go, is that it? You gave the 10?
No, I got done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. I need 4 more.
All right, 4 more, and then we're going to wrap it up.
Do these last 4 quick.
This gold is short at 28. Watch.
Dario, congratulations.
Dario.
3 more. Teach like AD. Congrats.
Wow, what a day.
Oh, teach like a DJ.
NASDAQ right back up. Got to be shorted. This S&Ps are short here if they get up to the 49 to 55 range. NASDAQ, if it gets up to 60 to 90, it's a short. This gold
Last
is
winner. Let's see who it is.
This gold's going to be a short. Look at this. This gold's going to be short at like 29 to 35. Watch.
Rodrigo, congratulations.
Arthur, great job, Arthur.
All right, chat. That's everybody for tonight.
Okay.
Got our 10 winners.
Before we go, I wanted to show everybody a really great pattern and why I said the S&P and the NASDAQ was short. NASDAQ, I said above the 24,830 and the S&P is at 62. So first of all, left to right, the 60-minute time frame, you see the ADX is rising. You have a monster selling pressure. The algorithm is negative. The yellow dots represent the price bar. When the 15 got overbought right here at what time is that? 9:15 is that? And you can see the push up here to 60, actually 63. We were calling short 62 to 67, 68. Okay. This gold, look at this gold right back up $40. This gold's a short into the bear flag here. Okay. And so basically what happened, oh my God, this gold's going to drop. So basically what happened here, okay, is that this is the first bounce on the 15. This is a bounce, cover this gold below 30 and a half, 27 and a half, 30 and a half range. So you see this here, the bounce on the 15, the 80, when you get the overbought condition on the bounce on the 15 into the rising ADX, that's it, it's over. Okay. All right. Denny, have a great night, everybody. This gold's a short. Okay. S&P's just dropped here. All right. Hey, thank you, everybody. Have a great, great night. Again, I want to say thank you to Denny for hosting this, giving away 10. And again, it's really important for all of you. If you want to come to my live stream every single day, I stream every day from 9 to 4. My website is sktrading.live. If you like to join me, come join me. Look to cover this gold 29.5 to 32.5 range. If you're short, it should drop. Also, if you like to text me, my number is 914-500-7484. I'll be doing Sunday night, 6 o'clock Eastern on SK Trading YouTube. I'm going to do it. How it is? Last week, it was unbelievable. Have a great week, everybody. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. Denny, thank you, my brother. Gold dropping here. You should get one more push down on the gold. Wow, 91 up 40 off the lows. Denny, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much.
You have a good night, Stephen.
All right. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America.
Have a good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.